Hi, you've probably heard about or played Wordle by now. For everyone living under a rock, here's the basics. Your goal is to guess a 5-letter word. To do this, you can enter words and the game shows you which letters appear in the word but somewhere else and which are in the right place. But this video isn't about normal Wordle, it's about Wordle Battle Royale. I'll let my good friend Ludwig explain it.
But I'm not playing that game. I am playing the PvP version made by my mod programmer, Automated. It's called Squabble. Squabble.me is the website. And it's like Wordle, but PvP. And it kind of works like Tetris 99 or Pac-Man 99, where if you get a word, you shoot somebody else and they lose health points. And the last one with health points remaining wins.
So this game is pretty fun to play, but you know what's even more fun? Winning. And even better, always winning. So I made a plan. Step 1, make an AI to solve the word. Step 2, make the AI interact with the Squabble website. And step 3, win. Getting the correct word in Squabble is pretty much the same as in Wordle, so the first thing I did is check how other people are doing that. Turns out, Wordle's full word list can actually be accessed in the source code, and it also shows you the words in the correct order, so you don't even have to guess if you don't want to. But with Squabble, it's not that easy. The words aren't sent to the user, to prevent cheating, so you'll have to figure something out. But then I found it, a leaderboard of the best Wordle bots, made with write-ups of how they work, and the best of all, free code. So, while I take this code, let me explain how these bots do it. First, we take a list of all possible words, not the correct ones, but all allowed 5-letter words. For Wordle, this can also be found in the source code. Then, we build a decision tree that can solve all words in the fewest amount of guesses possible. This is done by... If you actually want to know how it works, check out some links I posted in the description. Let's do an example. We have the possible words album, tree, and loser. We start by guessing the word album. If we get all green, the word is correct, obviously. If we get all black, it has to be tree, since no letters match. And if we get black, yellow, black, 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 it has to be loser, because there is an L in the correct word. The algorithm does this for all the words we give it and splits it optimally so that we need the fewest amounts of guesses. This results in a really big tree. To create this tree, we now need a full list of possible words for Squabble that has to include all correct ones or this won't work. I won't tell you how I got this list, but it might involve going to the dark web and hacking NASA. Using this list, the algorithm finds an optimal starting word and then creates a tree for us. So now, let's see the decision tree for the word tears in action. So let's start by creating a game. We need to join the game with a second account to be able to play. Ready up. Now, we start with the word tears. And we get yellow, black, black. So let's look for that. Yellow, black, black. And we are after the first guess, so let's search. We find habit. Okay, habit. Oh, guess it was correct already. So let's start again with tears. We get yellow, black, black. First guess. Let's look for it. Cotta. Okay, now we get black, green, black. And it's the second guess we made. So we search for that. We take right. And it's correct. And we won. So that's how the decision tree works. Now all we need to do is make an AI that uses this decision tree to interact with the game. To interact with the website, I'm gonna use Python and Selenium, which is a framework that can interact with elements in the browser. Let's start by trying to open the website, and creating a game shouldn't be too hard. After running into some problems, mostly due to doing actions too quickly while the website is still loading, I have created a way to enter words. I can use this to type ready or in the game. To easily test stuff, my bot creates a game, joins the game in a second window and readies up in both windows. The next thing we need to do is let the bot know which letters are correct. For this, I look for the specific class names the letter has to decide whether it's black, yellow or green. Now that we know that, we need to turn the decision tree into a format that the bot can actually understand, and it should now be able to guess the correct words. Let's see. Okay, so I expect this to type the word, get the next word and keep typing, and it should guess everything correctly in the first few guesses and go to the next word. It opens two windows and creates a game and joins it. Seems good. It should ready up now. Okay, and now it should start guessing in a few seconds. Cheers, okay. Yeah, looks good, okay. Okay. Okay, something didn't work. It should always guess before the fourth guess. Looks like we have an error. The key is not defined, so it didn't know which path to choose in the tree. Well, as always, the bot did everything correctly. The error was in front of the computer. I imported the tree wrong, so it obviously can't choose the correct path. It was an easy fix though. The tree now is an actual tree instead of a line. Let's try it again. Okay, the bot is readying up again. This time hopefully it will work. It starts with the word tears. And it should never take more than 4 guesses. Okay, it got it. Nice. So hopefully it keeps working. Also 4 guesses, okay. Nice, it works. Okay, now that the basic guessing functionality is working, let's give the AI some more information. I wanted to know whether it has to type ready, or if the game has already started, if it has ended, how much HP it has, and which place it currently is in. I can then use this information to automatically find new games and some other cool stuff. While doing this, I discovered that some words in my word list aren't accepted by Squabble, so I wrote some code that saves all these words to a file so that I can remove them at some point. I also made sure to tell the AI how stupid it is to choose a word that isn't accepted by forcing it to type loser to clear the board. Let's let the AI play again and see all the information it now has. It can tell which place it's in, it can tell the HP. It can tell whether the game is running or whether it's waiting. For convenience, I also made a graphical interface for the AI, allowing me to turn it on and off and letting it join a game via a link as well. So now it's time for the real test. Can the AI win against random players in Battle Royale? It's time for a time lapse. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more coding content. Small disclaimer at the end. I don't encourage cheating in video games, as it ruins the experience of other players. I created this bot because I wanted to see if it was possible not to actually use it in real games, by streamers or by the matchmaking. I only had it running for about 10 games, I would say, and will not be running unless I'm trying to implement new stuff.